So today we will be discussing hi all, if you are listening to me, please raise your hand so that I can start with the class without wasting time. Yes, very good. Ria, thank you. Divya for confirming. Kavya. So now we are going to start with today's class. We will be solving problem number 3 and problem number 6 in the today's class to revise the retirement of partner, and this will be the last class. Okay. So let's start without wasting time. So first look at the problem which is there, and even I requested you to have the formats. Now, so this is a problem number 3. Oh, sorry. Okay, so problem number 3, that is on the page number 53. You can go to the page number 53. Pankaj, Naresh and Saurabh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Naresh retired from the firm due to his illness. On that date, the balance sheet of the firm was as follows. Okay, so the details are available with us. Now, we have given liabilities and assets. Now, this problem I took it particularly because it has many liabilities and assets. So let us look at all the liabilities and assets. So first it is general reserve, then with general reserve it is to be distributed, then sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding salary, provision for legal damages. These all are liabilities which will directly go to the balance sheet, and if there are any changes, they need to be affected in the revaluation account. Okay, so now next is we have capitals, that is Pankaj, Naresh and Saurabh. They need to be taken as by balance brought down. And the next is they have given assets, that is bank, debtors, less PDD. PDD need to be watched. Then stock, furniture and premises. Now these all are very common information which will be available to us. Now let us see the additional information. Okay. So in the additional information, he has said that premises have to be appreciated by 20%. Okay, now let's look at the premises. 41. Actually, there is a problem. Actually, the stock has to be 9,000, furniture 41, and premises 81,000. The reason for this is there is a printing mistake. All of them have come down by a line. So we need to adjust. Stock is 9, furniture is 41, and premises is 80,000. Okay. So now premises has been appreciated by 20%. I want to note some student, any student or all the students you can note down. Premises are 80,000 into 20% will be 16,000. Okay. Now let me, if anybody is interested in the discussion, can you please raise your hands? Okay, so I'm unmuting Payal and Ria. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm also unmuting Mr. Rahul and Bhagyashree. You can unmute and speak. Yes. Now. Bhagyashree, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Bhagyashree, nodama, this is 80,000. 80,000 20% andre eshtaಗ್ತದಮ್ಮ 16,000. Note ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀಯಾ?
Sir.
Then stock depreciated by 10%. Stock 9,000 ಅದ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? 9,000 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? It is 900 rupees. Exactly?
Sir. Sir.
Right. And provision for doubtful debt was to be made at 5% on debtor. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. All of you. Okay, because this is the place where you can commit mistake. So I don't want you to do that. Okay. So now anyone who want to be part of discussion for this, Khushi is here. Khushi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Khushi. Now what we need to do, I will tell you, and even Ankita is there. Okay, Ankita. Can you hear me, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
Ankita.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Ankita, debtors amount kitna hai? 6,000, right?
Yes, sir.
And he is asking us to maintain the provision at 5%. Okay. So can you calculate and tell me how much will be 6,000 into 5%? I think it will be 300.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? 300?
Yes, sir.
300. But PDD is already present in the balance sheet as 400 rupees, right? Now we need to reduce it by 100 rupees. So when we reduce PBD, it will be a profit because it will be a reduction in liability that has to be taken on the credit side. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Further, please try to have control over your background noise. Bhagyashree, nim background noise bhಳ ಅದಮ್ಮ.
Yes.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Now, next is further provision for legal damages is to be made for rupees 1,200. Already the legal damages are 6,000. They want us to make it increased by 1,200. So we will do it. And it is a liability. When we increase it, it will be a loss. We will take it on the debit side. And furniture to be brought up to 45. Furniture are 41. Now they want to make us 45. So that means there is an increase of 4,000. Okay. So it will be an appreciation and should be taken on the credit side. Now, with all this information, now let me start my class. That is, let me start the solution. Okay. So first, let me come to the Excel sheet. Okay. Are you able to see the Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, I will write by premises. By premises in brackets. I think it was 80,000, right? How much it was?
Yes,
80,000
sir.
into 20 divided by 100. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
16,000 it will be. Okay. Next is to stock. ಭಾಳ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದಮ್ಮ ಭಾಗ್ಯಶ್ರೀ. ನಾವು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತ. ಹಾ ರೈಟ್. To stock account. Okay, stock is 9,000 as I told you earlier. So it will be 9,000 into 10%. Okay, so it will be 900. Ankita, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then the next adjustment is about the provision. Now, just to look at how I will write this. So by PDD, that is by provision for doubtful debts account. Okay. In brackets, I will write. First, I will open a square bracket.
200.
400 minus 6,000 into 5%.
5.
Okay, then close the square bracket. Okay, so if you do this, you will get 100 rupees. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
I have already explained you. They are asking us to maintain 300, but we already have 400. Now, when we reduce it, it will be a profit for us because PDD is a liability. When the liability gets reduced, it will be a profit. So it should be taken on the credit side. Okay. Now, after this, next is to provision for legal damages. To provision for legal damages. I think it is 1,200 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Directly we need to write. Then last is buy furniture. Buy furniture account, and they are asking us to make it as 45,000, but earlier it was 41,000.
41.
So now it will be 4,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, by looking at the total of both the sides, we can understand there is a profit because credit side is greater. So when the credit side is greater, we close it by writing to partners capital account. How much it will be? 18,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then who is the first one? The first one is
Pankaj.
Pankaj. Okay. Pankaj, what is their profit sharing ratio?
3:2:1. 3
Okay,
by 6.
that
2 by
means
6.
Pankaj will get 9,000. Then I think it is Naresh.
Yes, sir.
He will get 6,000. If you calculate, you will get 18,000 into 3 by 6, 18,000 into 2 by 6, right? Then the last one is Saurabh. I think Saurabh will be 3,000. Are you clear? Hope you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go for the partners capital account. And you know that always partners capital account starts with by balance brought down. It is 46,000, 30,000 and 26,000, I think. Is it right? No, it is 20,000, sorry. जस्ट चेक कीजिए क्या कैपिटल सेम है.
Yes, sir.
इसमें कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है, तो मैं इसीलिए उसको ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूं. राइट? अब देखिए आगे नेक्स्ट. आई थिंक बाय जनरल रिजर्व होगा नेक्स्ट.
Yes, sir.
बाय जनरल रिजर्व. What is the general reserve amount?
16,000.
4,000. It will be 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. When you divide 12,000 in the ratio, it you will get 6, 4 and 12 because 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. For your understanding and for valuator purpose, I will write the ratio also. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Now, after this, we need to look at profit and loss account, which is not there, but we have revaluation account, right? So I write revaluation account. By revaluation account. I think it is 9,000. Ankita, उतना ही है ना शायद?
Yes, sir. 9,000, 6,000, 3,000.
Yes, 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Right. पक्का?
Yes, sir.
आई थिंक अभी CS क्लास चल रहा है क्या शायद, इसीलिए बच्चे भी ज्वाइन नहीं हुए हैं थोड़े. Okay, now Bhagyashree, I have unmuted you if you want to speak. Khushi also I have unmuted. Oh, baap re, Bhagyashree. Khushi, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो. Now, अभी तो हो गया ये. Now we are left with only goodwill. So let's come to the goodwill part. Okay. So we know that the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 42,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we need to ascertain the partner who has retired his share. Who has retired here? Naresh.
Naresh.
So we write first Naresh's share of goodwill is equal to 42,000 into 2 by 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It comes to 14,000, I think.
Yes, sir.
Just check.
14,000.
Yes. Now next is Pankaj's share in Naresh's
Naresh.
goodwill. Pankaj's share in Naresh goodwill is equal to 14,000 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Can somebody tell me how much it will be?
10,500.
It will be 10,000. 10,500, right? Next.
Yes.
Who is the another one? Saurabh, I think, right? Saurabh's share in Naresh's goodwill is equal to 14,000 into 1 by 4. That will be equal to 3,500. Whether you are able to get this point?
Yes,
Oh, sorry,
sir.
sorry. यहाँ हमने गलती किया है. Sorry. एक चीज हमको चेंज करना है. Wait. यहाँ प्रॉब्लम में न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो दिया गया है. जस्ट चेक.
Yes, sir. 5:1.
हाँ, ये यहाँ तक सेम रहने दीजिए. मैंने निकाल दिया है. देखिए, आपको यहाँ गेन रेशो असरटेन करना है. क्या करना है? गेन रेशो. सो हमको मालूम है कि अब इसको वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2 करूंगा मैं, क्योंकि यहां आप गेन रेशो को असरटेन कर सकते हैं, तो आपको असरटेन करना चाहिए. तो अज्यूम मत करो यहां. सो इट इज गेन रेशो. So formula is gain ratio is equal to, anyone who remembers?
New ratio minus old ratio.
Very good. New ratio minus old ratio. Khushi, you are not answering. Now first, Pankaj is equal to, new ratio is 5 by 6. I think the new ratio is 5:1, right?
Yes, sir.
5 by 6 minus 3/6. His old ratio was 3/6. You can check 3:2:1. Are you able to understand? उसका पहला रेशियो क्या था? देखिए 3:2:1 था ओल्ड रेशियो. सब लोग, वो 3:2:1 का मतलब होता है 3/6. ओके,
Yes.
नाउ ये हो गया पंकज का. अब नेक्स्ट आता है सौरभ. सौरभ का देखिए 5:1 बोले तो अभी 1/6 है उसका रेशो, माइनस पुराना भी 1/6 ही था क्योंकि उसका 3:2:1 था, बराबर है. तो उसको उसका जो गेन है वो 0 हो जाएगा. तो हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि entire share is gained by Pankaj. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
That means complete goodwill किसको जाना चाहिए? पंकज.
Pankaj.
हाँ, पंकज share of goodwill is equal to 14,000. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
मैं इधर लिखता हूं इसको रीजन एज एंटायर शेयर इज गेन्ड बाय हिम. क्लियर है? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस.
Yes, sir.
नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू हियर फर्स्ट. अब बताइए यहां क्या लिखना चाहिए मुझे? बाय, किसका नाम लिखना
पंकज
चाहिए इधर?
Pankaj capital account.
वेरी गुड. बाय पंकज कैपिटल अकाउंट. पर अमाउंट कितना किसके कॉलम में जाना चाहिए? नरेश के कॉलम में. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
और इधर टू
Naresh account.
नरेश कैपिटल अकाउंट. अमाउंट किसके कॉलम में लिखना चाहिए? पंकज.
Pankaj.
अगर ये सौरभ भी गेन करता तो सौरभ के कॉलम में भी आता था, पर यहां सौरभ ने गेन नहीं किया है. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us finish this. Now we have finished everything. तो अभी हम लिखेंगे 2. मैंने आपको कहा है रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का अगर कुछ भी नहीं कहा गया है तो कहां भेजना चाहिए उसको?
Loan account.
हाँ, तो यहां लिखेंगे हम टू नरेश लोन अकाउंट. तो लोन अकाउंट कितना आना चाहिए? 54,000. आर यू क्लियर? 54,000.
26,000.
यस,
26,000.
26,000, sir.
26 आता है.
Yes, sir.
हाउ?
26 from Naresh capital account be transferred to his loan account.
ओ सॉरी, वो एक हम हाँ वो उधर दिया है क्या उसने कुछ?
Yes, sir.
ओ
26,000.
सॉरी, उसने कहा है ना पॉइंट सी हम देखेंगे. राइट.
Yes.
रुपीज 26,000 फ्रॉम नरेश कैपिटल अकाउंट बी ट्रांसफर टू हिज लोन अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस टू बी पेड थ्रू बैंक अकाउंट इफ रिक्वायर्ड बोल के है. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
ना तो लोन हम उतना ही ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं ना. तो चलो टू नरेश लोन अकाउंट कितना लिखेंगे हम? 26,000. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
देन हम लिखेंगे यहाँ कैश है क्या बैंक है? देखिए थोड़ा चेक कीजिए.
Bank, sir. Bank.
तो मैं यहाँ बैंक लिखूंगा 28,000 क्योंकि ये डिफरेंस अमाउंट है. मैंने डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट किया इधर, मैंने एक्सेल में पहले ही करके रखा था तो मुझे डायरेक्ट मिल गया. तो आप कैलसी से करेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा वो 28,000. आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ना अब लास्ट में आएगा टू बैलेंस कैरीड डाउन. ये किसके लिए? कंटिन्यूइंग पार्टनर्स के लिए. फर्स्ट वाला आएगा 47,000 एंड लास्ट वाला आएगा 25,000.
25,000.
हाँ, आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now let's go to the balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the balance sheet, we will write first what all liabilities were given there. We will take the same thing. Okay. So first it was sundry creditors. What is the amount of sundry creditors? 15,000. Right? Now, somebody tell me what is bills payable?
Bills payable,
Yes. How much?
12,000.
3,000.
12,000. Next one.
Outstanding salary,
Outstanding salary. How much?
2,200.
2,200. Next is provision for
Damages.
Legal damage.
legal damages. Okay.
Column 6,000.
Inner column,
1,000.
I will write here 7,200. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो इधर हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रैकेट में एक बात लिखेंगे, that is 6,000
Plus 1,200.
very good, plus 1,200. Okay, done. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Now I will write Naresh loan account. Is it right? Naresh ही है ना उसका नाम?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I think it is 26,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last, capital accounts.
Sir, bank overdraft.
ओवरड्राफ्ट आता है क्या?
Yes, sir.
ओके, एक मिनट, हम उसको एडजस्ट करेंगे, थोड़ा वेट कीजिए. बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. ओके. Now I will write here in the bank overdraft. What is the total bank balance available?
28,000.
नहीं, बैंक बैलेंस जो बैलेंस शीट में दिया गया है, how much it is?
7,600.
yes, very good, 7,600. ये इतना स्लो कौन बता रहा है? Whether it is खुशी और अंकिता?
खुशी, sir.
अरे जोर से बोलो यार. हाँ. ओके, 20,400. ओके. ये अंकिता हमारे क्लास की खुशी है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
अरे इतना धीरे बोल रहे हो. इसको पेनल्टी लगाएंगे धीरे बोलने के लिए. हाँ देती हूँ बोल के नहीं बोलती है, देखो. Now, next is Pankaj capital account and the next is Saurabh capital account. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, अब आप देखिए पंकज कैपिटल अकाउंट कितना है बताइए थोड़ा.
47,000.
47,000. Then Saurabh
25,000.
25,000. ओके, तो अभी हम असेट साइड पर आएंगे.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो असेट साइड पर आके हम पहले लिखेंगे कैशेट बैंक तो नहीं आएगा, बराबर है.
Debtors.
हाँ, तो डेटार्स मैं आपको यहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिख देता हूँ. कैन यू आप थोड़ा घर में ठीक कर लेंगे इसको?
Yes, sir.
मतलब मैं इधर मुझे वो लेस सब लिखना थोड़ा, हाँ नहीं तो लिख देता हूँ, चलो छोड़िए आपके लिए. हाँ 6,000 मैं इधर लिखूंगा लेस
PDD.
PDD कितना है? 300 है, याद है आपको?
300.
300. ओके, सो ये आएगा 5,700. आर यू क्लियर? नेक्स्ट,
Yes, sir.
stock. I think stock has some adjustment, right?
Yes,
Less
sir.
depreciation.
9,000 less depreciation.
900.
Depreciation, it is 900, so it will be 8,100, right? After that, furniture, right?
Yes, sir.
It was 41,000 as I remember. Add
Depreciation.
depreciation It is
4,000.
4,000. So it is 45,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, next is,
Premises.
wait. तो तब तक मैं ये थोड़ा कर ले. हाँ, right. Next is
Premises.
premises. It was 80,000 as I remember.
Yes, sir.
Add appreciation 16,000. So it will be 96,000, right? Anything else is remaining? और कुछ बचा है क्या? Just check कीजिए. Otherwise your balance sheet is ready. अंकिता और कुछ बचा है क्या?
No, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं बचा है ना, तो आप देख सकते हैं आपका बैलेंस शीट भी टैली हो गया है. दैट इज 1,54,800.
Yes, sir.
हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we go for the next problem?
Yes, sir.
I choose this problem because there is individual share is given in the problem. I think XYZ वाला है क्या? देखिए थोड़ा वही है ना, सिक्स्थ प्रॉब्लम. मैं स्क्रीन उस पर ही लेके जाता हूं ताकि अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन बैंक भी नहीं है तो आपको आसान हो जाए. चलो क्वेश्चन. हाँ, वो एक्चुअली हम वो क्वेश्चन बैंक में थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस उल्टा पुल्टा हो गए हैं. वो फोर्थ वन है एक्चुअली, राइट? लेट्स बिगिन. XYZ, राइट? नाउ XYZ आर पार्टनर्स. ये सब तो हमको कॉमन मालूम है. यहाँ क्रेडिटर है, रिजर्व फंड है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट है. दैट विल आल्सो बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बट रिमेनिंग रिमेन्स सेम, राइट? Z retired on 1/4/2018 from the business. The following adjustments are to be made. Okay, the following adjustments are to be made. Now, stock to be increased by 20%. That will be taken on the credit side of revaluation account. Now, about PBD, I like to discuss with you. Anyone who want to be part of it? Again, Khushi muted. Payal want to be there. Okay. Vibha is also interested to discuss. Divya is also there. So I have unmuted all of you. Okay. So Anjali, last one to be raise hand. Okay. Okay. तो PBD का थोड़ा डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग.
Yes, yes.
अगर किसी के यहाँ पीछे नॉइज है तो आप खुद म्यूट कर लो यार. हाँ, तो अब देखिए मेंटेन पीबीडी एट 10% ऑन डेटार्स कहा गया है. कैन अंजलि, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
अंजलि, कैन यू कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज द 10% ऑफ डेटार्स? अरे बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस.
4,000.
4,000. Okay. Now, but you can see the RBD which is given there, it is only 2,000, right?
Yes, sir.
But he is asking us to maintain how much? 4,000, right? You tell me how much more is required? चाहिए 4,000, बना हुआ है 2,000. आप बताइए और कितना चाहिए हमको?
2,000.
2,000. तो अभी 2,000 लायबिलिटी को ज्यादा करना है क्योंकि 2,000 से 4,000 करना है तो लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगा. तो जो लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज होता है दैट हैज टू बी टेकन ऑन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, राइट?
Yes.
Done. So it is finalized. Now bidding are to be revalued at 60. That we can do. Earlier bidding was 50. Now it is 60. 10,000 has increased. That has to be taken on the debit side. And depreciation of machinery and furniture will be taken on the debit side, right?
Yes.
मैं आता हूं गुडविल पर. देखिए यहाँ गुडविल टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर शेयर है. इफ यू रिमेंबर इन द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम्स, इफ यू चेक, गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म इज वैल्यूड बोल के दिया जाता था. अब क्या दिया जा रहा है? गुडविल टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ रिटायरिंग पार्टनर शेयर इज क्रिएटेड एट ₹15. दैट मीन्स पहले हम करते थे, देखिए लास्ट टाइम में हमने किया है नरेश शेयर ऑफ गुडविल, याद है आपको? आप देखिए ऊपर वर्किंग में we have calculated Naresh share of goodwill.
Yes.
अब उसको कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है because he has already given it. Now goodwill to the extent of retiring partner share is 15. Now just we need to distribute. उतना ही हमारा काम है. We have to just be the distributor. Okay, so Z has retired here. Now let us considering these points. Let us start with the solution. So first, coming to the revaluation account, first I write to stock. To stock. Can you tell me what should be written in the bracket?
20,000 into 20%.
How much?
20%.
20%.
20,000 into 20%. Okay. 20,000 ही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is 4,000. Done. Next is maintain PBD at 10%. Maintain PBD at 10%. So that I will. आपको सॉल्यूशन दिख रहा है ना या नहीं दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
ओके
No,
ओके
sir.
ओके ओके, शायद मैंने उसको स्क्रीन को शेयर नहीं किया है. अब आया देखिए, राइट. नाउ आई राइट टू पीबीडी. वो आरबीडी है, आप फिर भी पीबीडी लिखेंगे तो ही सही रहेगा. ओके, सो आई विल राइट फर्स्ट, आई विल ओपन अ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट एंड इन द राउंड ब्रैकेट आई राइट इट इज 40,000. हाँ, ओ सॉरी, यस, एक्सक्यूज, ओके, it should be by PBD. Good point. And I should write here.
Sir, stock will come on credit. Sir, PBD come on debit.
बराबर है. ओह सॉरी. नहीं, दोनों बराबर है. डिप्रिसिएशन है ना स्टॉक का.
Increased by 20% of the stock.
स्टॉक इंक्रीज है क्या? ओ सॉरी, गलत है मेरा, गलत है. मैंने डिप्रिशिएट बोल के पढ़ा था उसको. सॉरी, मुझे वो दोनों स्क्रीन इधर उधर होने से थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ओके, मेरे पास अभी फिजिकल कॉपी ऑफ क्वेश्चन बैंक नहीं है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ, बाय स्टॉक, सो इट इज 4,000. क्लियर है? हाँ. नेक्स्ट इट इज टू पीडीडी. इट इज 40,000 into 10%.
Minus 2,000.
Very good. Minus 2,000, right? So it will be again 2,000. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next is depreciate machinery and furniture by 10%. So first I write to machinery. Brackets 20,000 into 10%. Barabar?
Yes, sir.
Now the next, this will be 2,000, right?
Yes, sir.
And next is to furniture. Bracket में 10,000 into 10%. I think it will be 1,000. Now, next is buildings are revalued at ₹60,000. So this should come on the credit side
Credit side.
by
Building account.
buildings account, right?
50,000 minus 50,000.
Yeah, 60,000
Minus 50,000.
minus 50,000. Okay. So there is a profit of 9,000.
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज एक तरफ 14 है और एक तरफ 9 है. So I write 2 partners.
Capital account.
Very good. 2 partners capital account. It is 9,000. And in that first is X. X will get, I think, how much he will get? 3,600. Right? Then
Yes, sir.
Y also 3,600. Then
Yes, sir.
next is Z.
18.
He will get 80.
1,800.
Yes, 1,800.
800.
800.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Hope you have understood this. बराबर है?
Yes,
Now,
Yes, sir.
next is coming to the next part. First, let me write buy balance brought down. शायद ये कट हो जाएगा इधर ही. Buy balance brought down 50,000,
20,000.
30,000,
20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
Next, buy any reserve.
Yes, sir. Reserve fund.
Yes, sir.
Buy reserve fund.
8,000, 8,000, 4,000.
8,000, 4,000.
8,000.
8,000,
8,000.
4,000.
Okay,